How would you like to make hundreds of dollars every single day, or better yet, thousands of dollars every single day without purchasing any expensive courses or spending hundreds upfront? Chances are you'll want to know how to do this, and so in this video, I'll be sharing another strategy that works 100%, and this can be done anywhere in the world, which is one of the best parts of this strategy. So if you are interested in making money online, then be sure to stick around to the very end of this video and learn about this method of making money online. Now, if you like money, go ahead and comment below and let me know if you like these types of videos. And also, if you are new here, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about making money, saving money, investing money, and everything that has to do with personal finance. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it, and it's completely free. Also, consider subscribing to this channel and turning on all the notifications, and that way you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post a new video here. Now, the idea behind this strategy that I'm about to share is very simple. Making money is actually very simple. If you're trying to come up with the right idea or the right product to make it big time, you're probably overthinking it. All you need to do is to provide a product or service that people need to be able to make a lot of money. Thousands per day. So the easiest way to find out what services or products people need is by simply finding out what problems people face on a day-to-day basis. So you can look for a particular group of people and see what problems they all have in common, and then the simplest solution to that problem can be the ticket to thousands of dollars every single day. To make the most amount of money, you need to find a problem that has a lot of people, or a problem that a lot of people have. And the more people having the problem equals more money for you. And the more difficult the problem is, then chances are there will be less solutions, which means you can earn or you can charge even more for solving this problem. Now, the strategy for making money that I want to share in this video comes from a problem that I've seen a lot in e-commerce. There are a lot of products, but there are less product videos. So for example, if you search on Amazon for anything, maybe a garage door opener, you'll find the big brands, and then you'll find hundreds of other smaller brands that come with the same features and they have the same warranties. But these smaller brands don't have product videos for their brands and the items that they're selling. And this is something that converts people who are just casually browsing into buyers. So if you're looking for the best carpet cleaner, for example, and you see a bunch of them online, you'll most likely purchase the one that has a product video where you can see a demo of the carpet cleaner in action, because now you can actually visualize it being used in your home or office, as opposed to the other brands that only had a product description and a few stage photos. Now, I've realized that there aren't enough product videos, and I think this is a niche market where you can get in wherever you are in the world. And if you can create product videos, you can actually, one, make a lot of money, two, you can work from anywhere in the world, and three, you have a virtually unlimited supply of work to do every single day. Now, you may be wondering, why not just create them yourself, or why don't the owners of these brands and products not just create the product videos themselves? And the answer is that one, they probably most likely don't know how to. Two, they don't know how to create product videos that will convert sales for them. And thirdly, they don't have the time to do it anyway. So instead, it's best to hire someone who knows how to and pay them to get it done. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can pull this off this year. I'm going to show you how you can find videos that you can use, where to get clips from, and how to put them together to create great product videos easily and quickly. And then I'm going to also show you how to find clients. So stick around in this video if you want to make some money online. So the first thing I want you guys to do is to go over to Fiverr.com. And if you haven't signed up for Fiverr as yet, go ahead and do that right now. The link is in the description below of this video, and I have been talking about Fiverr for a very long time. So if you didn't know, Fiverr is a website where you can either outsource work or get paid for doing gigs of any kind. The sign up should be quick and easy, as you can use your Google account to sign in there or your Facebook account to sign into Fiverr. So quickly pause this video if you have to and sign up for Fiverr, and then come right back. Now, after logging into Fiverr, I want you to search, and I want you to search for product videos. You're going to get thousands of results, and as you can see here, you have multiple service providers. However, usually on Fiverr, a gig will cost anywhere from $5 to $10 on average. But with this type of gig, it's a whole lot more. This seller here, for example, is charging $30. This one here is charging $50. This one here is even charging more at $400. Now, even if you click on one of these that cost less, you'll most likely find that the price is for the basic tier or basic package, and most sellers on Fiverr or Freelancer will have about 3 tiers. So the basic could be $50, and then premium could be $75, and then ultimate could be $125. And all these different packages will be determined by the amount of work that you will be doing. Now, the good thing about Fiverr is that you can look at the reviews and see that people are actually purchasing the service, and you can also look at the work the freelancer has done. So you can get an idea of what they're actually doing to make this amount of money that they're charging. And if you click on a few of these freelancers, you'll find that the videos aren't all complex videos. They are really simple and generic videos for the most part. And so even if you have zero experience, if you follow the steps here, you could easily create multiple product videos every single day. And you can do this on any freelance website and not only on Fiverr. So you could go to Upwork or freelancer.com and find these gigs listed there as well. Now, the next part of this video is to actually find stock clips that are unique enough, and also a very large variety of stock clips where you can get the perfect mix of clips for creating a product video. And there are some free resources that you can use, and I'll leave links below to some of these. So the first one I can mention is Pixelbay. Here you have access to videos and photos which are free. However, you are limited to the amount of options you have. And so if you're starting out, what you can do is to use multiple websites that give you these free clips and photos to create your product videos. And I've done this a lot before. But as soon as you start making money, you want to start paying these websites so you can have access to premium content. And it does cost, but for example, promo.com charges around $100 or $360 per month, depending on which plan you choose. And you get unlimited premium content. And you can even create the videos on this platform for free as well once you have that membership. So if you get 1 gig per month, you'll be able to easily pay for the membership fees, and surely you'll be getting multiple gigs each week, so the cost won't be a problem. And another good place to find these is on a website called iStock, and iStock is where you can actually get access to anything you want, but it will be a trial version, and so you can use this until the trial runs out, and then you can start paying for the premium content, which I 100% recommend you do. Also, you want to use premium content because even though there is a lot of room for newcomers in this niche business, there are other people doing it, and they're most likely already using all the free clips and photos. So you want your work to be much better and unique, and I would definitely pay for premium and get premium clips for product videos that I'm contracted to do online. Now, this is all the easy part. The hardest part of this is actually getting the gigs on Fiverr, and there are a few things that you can do to have your service ranked higher on Fiverr, and it's somewhat like a search engine, and so you want your service to be on the first page for the results when people search for the service. And so the first thing that you need to do is to have some social proof on Fiverr. This means that you'll have a gig listing that already has work posted, so when people come across your listing, they can see examples of your work. Remember the gig we just saw on Fiverr. If you click on any of them, you'll see that the freelancer has multiple product videos that you can look at and see what quality of work they produce. And you can also see orders in queue, which tells you how many orders that particular freelancer has backed up working on right now. Imagine doing this and having 5 orders in queue with each priced at around $350. That's a good amount of money. And if you look at this listing for $400, this person actually has 2 orders in queue, which means that they have 2 orders to complete as soon as they're done with whatever they're currently working on. And this other seller, who is Fiverr's top rated seller, has 10 orders in queue with a price of at least $120. And remember, there are tiers to this, so this could be a whole lot more. So to get around this, all you have to do is to visit Facebook groups in the niche that you're trying to get into and offer free product videos. And you can do this once or twice. And yes, I said free. If you spend a day or two doing free product videos, you'll get some time to practice. You'll be able to get feedback from clients that you took on. You'll have those to display on your service listing for potential clients to see, and you'll be able to compare your work with others on Fiverr. And for the money you can make here, doing 1 to 2 or even 3 product videos for free isn't all that bad. Now, the second thing you want to do is to get more sales than your competition, because this is a part of the algorithm on Fiverr, and this is how they rank sellers. The more sales you have, the higher up you'll be, and so if you want to make it to the first page for any search result, you need to have a lot more sales, or at least enough sales to be able to surpass all the others on Fiverr. And this sounds hard, but it's actually very easy. What you shouldn't do is to ask your friends and family to sign up to Fiverr and hire you for gigs to get reviews and sales, because if Fiverr finds out, then they'll know you're manipulating the system to get ahead. But you can actually still do this if you aren't related to the people that purchase your gigs. And when I say related, I mean in terms of your IP location. So if you're in the same house and you all have the same public IP address, then Fiverr can easily flag this. And if you're all in the same town or city and suddenly you have hundreds of orders from your own city or town, it may be suspicious, especially if the clients are coming directly to Fiverr to purchase your gig without going to other pages on Fiverr. So to get around this, you can go back to those Facebook groups and you can offer discounted prices or discounted product videos to people who have businesses and need to share products. So for example, you can tell them to hire you on Fiverr and you'll give them a 2-for-1 deal, or you'll do more of something. Maybe you refund them a part of the cost or all of the cost, depending on how you want to do this. And all you really need is 10 to 20 sales on Fiverr, and that will rank you higher than the other people who have gigs with 1 to 2 sales on average per week. So now you can be on the first page of Fiverr, and you'll be one of the first results when people search for a product video. Now, the next tip should be obvious, but you want to always over-deliver, especially when you are new, because another important part of the algorithm on Fiverr has to do with the reviews you get from clients. And so you want your clients to be happy and leave you good reviews, especially the first 10 to 20 clients. And the best way to make them happy is to over-deliver and exceed whatever expectations they had of you and the work that you produced. Now, another important part to this is to download the mobile app and turn on push notifications for Fiverr so you can promptly respond to messages, because Fiverr has this built in the algorithm as well. If you try to message a seller on Fiverr, there will always be a note where it says usually responds in 1 to 2 hours, or usually responds in 10 to 15 minutes or something like that. And I personally, whenever I need a design done or any type of work on Fiverr, I only choose sellers who I can see will respond to my messages very quickly. People don't want to hire you to hear from you 12 hours after they've messaged you on Fiverr, and Fiverr knows this, and so they track this metric. So be sure to get the app and promptly respond to all messages. Now, the final hack here is to use Fiverr for Fiverr. Like I mentioned before, this requires some SEO work like a search engine, and so it's easier to search on Fiverr for SEO on Fiverr, and you'll see gigs from sellers who will perform search engine optimization on your Fiverr listings so as to get you ranked higher in Fiverr, making your listings visible to more prospective clients, and then making you more money. So to quickly recap, find the product videos on Fiverr. Look at what other sellers who are top rated with good reviews and a lot of orders in queue are doing. Use the free clips and create your own product reviews or product videos for people on Facebook and get those initial reviews and transactions. Then get some SEO work done on Fiverr, and then you'll be able to get from the back pages of Fiverr to the front page of Fiverr to be able to get a great deal of business when people are searching for product videos. If you have any questions about this strategy, be sure to leave a comment below, or you can find me on Instagram, link down below in the description. Comment below and let me know if you'll be trying this method, and if you've already tried creating gigs on Fiverr, but you never got any clients or orders, then these tips should also help you to get to the front page on Fiverr for just about any gig in any niche. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos here. Check all the links down below in the description for free and helpful stuff, including that link to promo.com and also a link to a free video editing software that you can download and use for this gig if you decide to not use the one on the websites that I've talked about today. Once again, thanks for watching, all the best, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.